In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Group and Outline in Microsoft Excel. Grouping and outlining are powerful tools that help you organize your data, collapse or expand sections, and make large spreadsheets much easier to navigate. These features are particularly useful when you want to focus on specific parts of your data without losing track of the overall structure. To start, select the rows or columns you want to group. For example, if you have data in rows 2 through 6 that belong to the same category, click and drag to highlight these rows. Next, go to the Data tab on the ribbon and click on the Group button. Excel will create a collapsible outline for the selected rows, and a small minus sign will appear on the left side. Clicking this minus sign collapses the rows, hiding them from view, and it changes to a plus sign, which you can click to expand the group again. This lets you temporarily hide details while keeping the overall structure visible. The same process works for columns. Select the columns you want to group, then click the Group button in the Data tab. Excel will add a collapsible outline above the columns. You can collapse or expand these columns in the same way, which helps you organize large spreadsheets without scrolling endlessly. You can also create multiple levels of grouping. For example, you might group a subset of rows within a larger group to create a nested outline. This allows you to collapse or expand sections at different levels, making complex data much easier to manage. You can repeat this process for any other sections of your spreadsheet, so you always have a clean, organized view of your data. Using groups and outlines not only improves readability, but also makes it easier to share spreadsheets with colleagues. Everyone can focus on the sections that matter most while keeping the data organized and accessible. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Practicing these grouping and outlining techniques will make navigating and managing your Excel spreadsheets faster, easier, and much more efficient.